understanding the phrase, smash, in English. Hello everyone! Today, we are diving deep into the versatile and popular English phrase, smash. While it might make you think of breaking something, it has various other meanings in different contexts. Let's explore them together. Smash, as a verb originally means 1. To break something into many pieces, usually with force. 2. Example, she accidentally smashed the vase when she was cleaning the table. 3. To hit or strike with a hard impact. 4. Example, he smashed the ball out of the park during the baseball game. Over time, the word smash has been used in various idiomatic expressions. Here are some of them. 1. Smash hit refers to something, especially a song, movie, or show, that is extremely popular. 2. Example, her latest movie is a smash hit. Everyone is talking about it. 3. Smashed, sometimes used as slang to mean very drunk. 4. Example, he was completely smashed at the party last night. 5. Smash into, to collide with something, especially with force. 6. Example, the car lost control and smashed into the tree. In certain contexts, smash can have other specific meanings. 1. Sports. In sports like tennis or badminton, a smash is a powerful overhead shot. 2. Example, she delivered an unbeatable smash that earned her the match point. 3. Gaming. In some video games, a smash move might refer to a strong attack or a special move. 4. Example, use the smash move to defeat multiple enemies at once. Smash is a dynamic word in the English language. While its basic meaning relates to breaking or hitting, its idiomatic and contextual uses make it a rich term to understand. We hope this video shed some light on its various shades of meaning. Keep learning and smash those language barriers down.